Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to complete the VKYC process for international money transfers using the Niyo website. Perfect if you don't have the Niyo app or Niyo account. Go to goniyo.com and click on Send Money Abroad. On this screen, you can put any random amount and click on Send Money. Please enter your mobile number and click on Continue. You will receive an OTP. Please enter the OTP and click on Verify. Now you have logged in. Click on Done. On this screen, you have to enter the amount which you actually want to send. You can enter that amount, or if you are just doing the video KYC for now, enter any random amount, like I'm entering $10,000 and click on Start Transfer. Please read the terms and conditions and click on Agree and Continue. On this screen, you'll see your PAN card details. If you're a first time user, you'll have to enter PAN card details twice. Please verify your details and click on Confirm. On this screen, you will see the list of documents you would need for money transfers. Please click on Proceed with Transfer. On this screen, you get to select the source of your funds, if it is from an education loan, if it's from savings. For now, our purpose is just video KYC, so I'm just selecting education loan. I'm clicking on Continue. This is the screen where you see the payment summary and breakup of all the charges. You can check the charges and click on Continue. Now, this is where our video KYC starts. As written on the screen, you need to keep your PAN card handy. Click on Start KYC. Click on Get Started. Here, it will ask you if you want to proceed on mobile or proceed here. You can click on Proceed here. I'm clicking on Proceed here. Click Proceed. Now, DigiLocker will open up. So, process of KYC is you first do a Aadhaar KYC and then you show your PAN card. So, enter your Aadhaar card details. Click Continue. You'll receive an OTP on your Aadhaar registered number. Enter that OTP and continue. On this screen, you have to enter your DigiLocker PIN. If you forget your DigiLocker PIN, you can Google on how to reset it. Once you've entered the PIN, the screen will come up. Please select Aadhaar and PIN. These are the two details you want to be sharing with Niyo, and click on Allow. Now, once you click on Start, the system will allow for camera, microphone, and location permissions. Please allow all permissions and ensure that pop-ups are not blocked in your laptop. Otherwise, you will not see these pop-ups asking for permissions. Allow all permissions. Now you have set up your system and your video KYC will start. An agent will join the call and ask you to repeat your name and date of birth for verification. And the agent will also ask you to show your PAN card both front side and the back side. Show your PAN card to the agent. During this call, ensure that you are in a quiet room with a plain background. So once you have shown your PAN card, don't close the tab. The agent will close the tab. You'll see review in progress. And if your KYC is complete, you will get this screen video call is complete. Now, there can be another scenario that because of any reason, some sound in the background or non-clear PAN card, you might get another message where you would see process incomplete and video KYC incomplete. In this case, what you can do, you can close the tab, go back to the screen and click on retry. You can retry up to 5 times. Even then, if you face issue, you can reach out to our support. So let's say your KYC was complete. You have to close this tab and go to the transaction screen which we were continuing. On this screen, you'll see your verification is in progress. So video KYC takes around 60 minutes for our team to check and verify the details you have provided. Once your KYC is done, you will get a notification from our team and then you can just resume the process. So once you come back after 60 minutes, you can either continue the transaction which you were making earlier, which you will see here on the screen, or you can make a new transaction with the right amount. And then let's say I click on continue that transaction only, and here you see that your verification is successful and now you can continue with the payment. We have created another video to show the entire payment process. Please find the link in description. Happy to help you save more with Niyo's Zero Forex money transfers.